Hey guys, welcome to Split. Today we are talking about the WalkingPad R1 Pro. This is a walking pad that doubles as a full-on running treadmill with a form factor that takes away excuses and encourages use almost anywhere. Let me explain. So typically when you're considering using a treadmill and you don't own one, you think of the distance to travel to get to it and the hassle of getting ready before leaving home, yada yada, blah blah. Alternatively, if you have the cash and you wanted to buy one, you have to consider the storage space and the space it's going to take up in your abode or wherever it is you plan to use it. And that's where this comes in. The WalkingPad R1 Pro by Kingsmith is one of the many models that has an innovative compact design that eliminates the worry about where you can use it and where you can't store it. It also doubles as a walking pad and a full-on treadmill for jogging. Let's take a look at what comes in the deceitfully large box. There is the walking pad itself, of course, folded, a power cable, a safety lock, I'll show you how that works later, an Allen key, which can be used to adjust the treadmill in case you slide it to the left or right, a remote with a strap and battery included, which is installed like so, and you're ready to rock. Setup is pretty easy. You need to extend the handlebars and unfold the base. If you want to use it in running mode, you need to raise the handlebars so it's vertical, lock them in place with the bolts at the base, lock the clamps at the side to prevent the rail from sliding down. Now all you have to do is plug in power and power it on. Oh yeah, unlike a regular treadmill, you should attach the safety switch. When you take this out, it leaves the treadmill in safe mode, so the little ones at home don't go trying to Mario Kart slide on it. If you do leave it plugged into the wall, everybody's happy. The R1 Pro has a display to let you know what mode you're in, the speed, and the time spent walking or running. Under that screen, you have the power button, the manual mode button, which requires you to use the remote or an app, more about this in a bit, and the automatic mode button, which only functions when the pad is in walking mode. Okay, back to the remote. Now this can be used both in walking and running mode, and it's pretty basic, with the middle button acting as the start and stop. The plus sign increases the speed and the minus decreases it, and it would be weird if it was the other way around, so duh. The smaller button at the bottom or top, depending how you're holding the remote, doubles as the mode select and the power button. In running mode, this thing can get up to max speeds of 6.2 miles per hour. If you're a running enthusiast and you want to do faster speeds, they do have other models that can go even faster, but we are talking about the R1 Pro, so let's stay focused for a second. And when you don't want to run, you can switch into walking mode. And you do this by bringing down the handlebars, locking them in place, and it will automatically switch to let you know that it's in walking mode. In this mode, the max speed is reduced to 3.7 miles per hour, and the automatic mode is enabled. This mode lets you take advantage of the smart pressure surface that allows you to operate the walking pad without the remote. All you have to do is stand near the front and it'll automatically initiate a countdown and off you go. The smart pressure zone is broken into 3 layers. The front part speeds it up, well, starts it and speeds it up. The middle keeps the steady pace and the back of it slows it down or just grinds it to a halt. So there is a bit of a small learning curve here, you bounding forth and back. It's not so bad, but alternatively, you can just stick with the remote so you don't end up doing the salsa on these things. Try to figure out which 2-step takes it faster and 1-step back makes it slower. You get the point. All in all, I think foldable walking and running pads are pretty cool because you can pretty much use them anywhere. At work, under your desk, under your standing desk. That way you're not having the excuse that you've been sitting all day and your back hurts or you're not losing weight, whatever. In your living room, watching TV or gaming, again, you don't have to go out into the elements if you're a home bug, also like me. The convenience of not worrying about the weather, if it's too cold or too wet or too hot, sort of gets eliminated when you have one of these. And when it's all done, you can fold it away and get it out of sight. It only takes about 3.8 cubic feet for those of you who are math nerds. So let me know what you think about the R1 Pro walking and running pad from Kingsmith. Technically, Kingsmith is a sub-company of Xiaomi. Xiaomi makes great stuff, whether you like it or not. They do have other models like the R2 and even smaller ones, A1 Pro and so on and so forth, which are great. You can check them out on their website. But again, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.